Happy New Year from the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and I'm here to share January 2022 Double Shot Kit. Can you believe it is a new year already? We are so thankful for all of you, our faithful subscribers that have been with us. Or if you are new and you are starting the new year with us and having the scrapbook kits brought to you each and every month, we are excited to have you here. So I hope that each and every one of you will jump in this year and join in on the Facebook group and just play along with our challenges, post, share your layouts, and share your thoughts on all the other layouts that are shared on the Facebook group. We love seeing what everybody's doing, and we love getting to know each and every one of you. We're going to start January off with a bang. We have two collections. Our first one is Phelan Frosty with Simple Stories, so ready to take on the new year and the snow that's going to be coming. And from Cartabella, we have Gather at Home, which of course that's all I want to do when it gets cold and snowy. So both of these are gorgeous collections. I know you're going to be really excited to receive them in your kit this month. Along with your kit each month, you have access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that are designed by our amazing design team. They give you their cutting instructions, how to put the layout together, and even give you a photograph of the finished layout. So this is a great way when you get your kits to jump in and join the design team and start creating. Of course, you can go off and do your own thing, but it may spark ideas for you. So this is a great addition to receiving your kits. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Phelan Frosty from Simple Stories. This is a gorgeous collection in the pinks, the aquas, a little bit of the blue. It's just beautiful. Very fun and lighthearted. So to start with, you're going to receive 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock, 1 sheet of lip gloss, which is this dark pink in this collection. For your pattern paper, the first one is Frosty Friends, which is the snowman on the aqua polka dot. It's just cute with all their little scarves and hats. The back is this dark pink design with geometric shapes. So we have kind of a loose chevron and then these triangles and then the dots. This paper called Winter Days, which has all of your winter gear on it, your sweaters, your scarves, your mittens, your hot cocoa. The back is a plaid in all of the beautiful colors from this collection. Then we have this paper called Snuggle Weather, which is the cross-cut of the trees with the little hearts in the different colors from this collection. It's super cute. And the back is a snowflake in the turquoise color. So one more look at the patterned paper that you'll receive. For your embellishments, you have quite a few options. We have the foam stickers. So these all will vary among the kits, but I got the word winter, some banners, and some little Christmas trees. You'll also receive a roll of washi tape. So I got the narrow tape that is the pink chevron and triangles. That was part of the paper, the back of this paper. And then also some of the bits and pieces. So I have one from the journal pieces. That's this grid with a little tab. So it's kind of like a little divider. I have labels, icons, super cute. So that is Phelan Frosty from Simple Stories. Our next collection from Cartabella is Gather at Home. This one is just gorgeous. It just makes me smile. I love the colors in this collection. So we have that minty green, kind of a jade green, and that blush pink. Look at all these beautiful icons. It's just gorgeous. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, 1 sheet of bubbles. Our patterned paper is this beautiful floral on that black background. It's just pops. It's so stunning. The back is a 2-toned green grid design on the diagonal. This paper is called Fresh Floral. Then we have this floral paper that's these beautiful white flowers with that blush pink down here. on the minty green. The back is a grid design in that kind of blush pink and peachy pink. That was called Falling Flowers. This paper is the leaves, and it's on a white with green polka dot. The back is kind of that darker gray color. That's a grid design. Little stitch, so hopefully that shows up. This one is called Garden Guru. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So lots of options. We have banners. We have like the signboards and labels that you could use for titles or subtitles, just little tuck-ins. Love this cute little memo board up here. It has the banner that says home, some little fabric samples, and a calendar. So you can document all kinds of things, everyday things, your home, your memories with your family, just so much. Together we make a family. Love makes this house a home. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Just read through some of the phrases and it will give you ideas of what photos will be perfect to document with Gather at Home from Cartabella. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the scrap room. If you're wanting more collections, then be sure to check out the flavors of the month. We also have card kits and individual items available in the store, so be sure to check it all out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create this year.